Welcome to the automation revolution in finance, where outdated methods meet breakthrough intelligent hyperautomation revolutionizing how we work. In this era of transformation, we explore how fragile, rule-bound RPA is giving way to agile, AI-driven strategies that redefine finance operations. The revolution is unfolding as we move away from simple bots to adaptive systems that learn, reason, and elevate financial processes. Imagine a future where finance escapes the constraints of outdated processes and steps into an era of intelligent, seamless automation. Today, we journey into a world where cutting-edge technology transforms traditional finance into agile, future-ready operations. Traditional RPA excelled at routine tasks but often collapsed when challenged with unstructured data or unexpected process exceptions. These brittle bots, though effective for simple jobs, struggle with complexities, resulting in high maintenance costs and operational delays. Legacy systems demand constant manual intervention, revealing the inherent fragility of rule-based automation solutions. Recognizing these limitations paves the way toward more resilient, intelligent solutions that can dynamically address complex challenges. This realization drives finance to embrace adaptive automation that not only overcomes fragility, but also unlocks new strategic potential. Now, hyperautomation steps in by blending RPA with artificial intelligence, machine learning, and process mining to automate entire workflows. Experts forecast a market soaring over $30 billion, underscoring the transformative power of intelligent automation in modern finance. Imagine over 20% of every business process being revolutionized by adaptive systems that deliver unmatched efficiency and insight. This explosive growth signals a dramatic shift, compelling finance leaders to adopt innovative, intelligent solutions immediately. Hyperautomation isn't a fleeting trend, it's a strategic imperative that reshapes complex financial operations with precision. Enter AI agents. Resilient, adaptive tools that transform finance by learning, reasoning, and managing complex workflows autonomously. Unlike rigid RPA bots, these agents handle unstructured data and exceptions on their own, eradicating costly maintenance issues. They serve as strategic partners, allowing finance teams to transition from routine data processing to high-value advisory roles. Adaptive intelligence in these agents means smoother operations, greater resilience, and proactive decision-making across finance teams. This new standard in automation empowers finance with clarity and agility, ready to tackle emerging challenges head-on. Microsoft Dynamics 365 leads the way by integrating advanced AI features like Copilot for autonomous finance actions. Its embedded AI delivers predictive insights and automates critical reconciliations, significantly reducing the potential for errors. By automating complex workflows, organizations experience faster, more accurate operations that free up valuable human expertise. This shift enables teams to transition from manual oversight to strategic, data-driven management of financial functions. The promise of Dynamics 365 is clear. A smooth transition to a future where finance is both agile and autonomous. Industry trends reveal a paradox. 80% of finance leaders use RPA, yet many struggle with escalating maintenance and fragility. The true cost lies in fragile systems that require continuous patching, draining resources, and hindering growth. This maintenance tax forces organizations to reimagine automation, seeking solutions that are robust and self-reliant. Industry pioneers now pivot toward intelligent hyperautomation, powering finance functions with self-healing adaptive AI agents. This strategic shift promises to replace brittle legacy processes with flexible, future-ready automation solutions. Efficiency gains tell a compelling story. Traditional RPA achieves 30 to 50% cost reductions, but hits limits with exceptions. In contrast, intelligent hyperautomation driven by AI can reduce manual efforts by up to 80%, delivering transformative results. This leap in efficiency means finance teams can focus on strategic analysis rather than time-consuming manual tasks. Advanced automation not only increases output, but also enhances accuracy, enabling more informed decision-making. In today's competitive landscape, achieving such efficiency is not just beneficial, it's essential for success. A multi-tool approach is crucial, merging RPA, AI, machine learning, process mining, and low-code tools to drive excellence. Each component plays a distinct role. RPA handles repetitive tasks, while AI infuses the system with intelligent insights. Process mining acts as the eyes, uncovering inefficiencies and opportunities that traditional methods often miss. Low-code platforms empower professionals to deploy intelligent workflows without needing deep technical backgrounds. Together, these tools create a robust ecosystem that transforms conventional finance into an agile, forward-thinking operation. The era of drudgery is over. Automation now lifts the burden of repetitive tasks from finance professionals. No more endless patching of fragile systems or grappling with routine exceptions that slow down progress. This transformative shift frees teams from monotonous work, allowing them to focus on strategic, value-added initiatives. The elimination of the maintenance tax heralds a future where operational efficiency and strategic insight go hand in hand. It's a future where skilled professionals can devote their talents to analysis and innovation, not just routine tasks. The journey of automation is marked by distinct eras, starting with basic bots designed for high-volume, simple tasks. From 2020 to 2022, foundational RPA set the stage, focusing on stable, rule-based operations that handled repetitive work. As we moved into 2023, AI inflection began, enabling bots to process semi-structured data with enhanced capabilities. By 2025, autonomous AI agents take center stage, orchestrating end-to-end finance workflows with impressive precision. Looking ahead, the vision is set for self-optimizing systems that continuously identify and resolve process bottlenecks without human input. Looking forward, we're about to dive into functional deep dives that showcase real-world ROI and transformation in finance. Upcoming case studies reveal how intelligent automation is radically shortening close cycles and enhancing operational efficiency. These insights offer a practical roadmap demonstrating the tangible impact of adopting advanced automation technologies. By applying these innovations, finance leaders can soon achieve significant reductions in manual efforts and operational costs. Stay tuned as we uncover how these changes are not just about technology, but about strategic transformation. The foundation of this revolution is now set, moving decisively beyond the fragile confines of traditional RPA. Finance operations are being reimagined with intelligent AI agents and innovative hyperautomation strategies at their core. This shift marks a major milestone, ushering in an era where intelligent autonomy reshapes every financial process. Armed with solid data foundations and next-generation tools, finance is set for an unprecedented transformation. The revolution is real and here, ushering in a future of autonomous, strategically empowered financial decision-making. Next, we explore deep dives into finance transformation, focusing on achieving ROI through intelligent orchestration. This segment outlines a clear roadmap that guides you through breakthrough innovations in record-to-report, FP&A, and treasury. Our discussion will reveal how measurable improvements and strategic benefits are driving the finance revolution forward. These insights pave the way for immediate action, ensuring your organization remains at the forefront of innovation. Let's discover how turning routine tasks into strategic assets can transform your financial operations. Record-to-report transformation is redefining how finance manages reconciliations, journals, and variances with complete orchestration. Hyperautomation takes these processes to a new level, automating them end-to-end for greater efficiency. Tools like Dynamics 365 Copilot automatically detect anomalies, significantly reducing the manual workload on finance teams. Imagine a continuous close cycle that eliminates the month-end crunch by maintaining perpetual readiness and real-time audits. This transformation empowers teams to shift their focus from mundane tasks to high-level strategic analysis. Real-world case studies highlight dramatic improvements, with banks achieving close cycles up to 90% faster than before. AI agents now handle complex exceptions that once stalled processes, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted close. These intelligent systems reduce manual errors by as much as 90%, significantly enhancing data integrity and audit readiness. Intelligent orchestration delivers tangible benefits, turning theoretical efficiency gains into measurable outcomes for financial operations. The compelling data demonstrates a transformative shift that modernizes finance through the power of hyperautomation. FP&A is being redefined with intelligent forecasting that continuously refreshes data and provides real-time predictive insights. AI agents pull information directly from vast data lakes, ensuring forecasts remain current and highly accurate. Natural language generation explains variances instantly, offering decision-makers clear insights into underlying dynamics. Holistic modeling integrates treasury inputs and market feeds, enabling finance teams to run hundreds of what-if scenarios in seconds. With these intelligent tools, finance professionals evolve from mere number crunchers to strategic advisors driving growth. AI integration cuts planning time dramatically, with FP&A teams reducing planning cycles by an impressive 70%. Rapid adoption of AI-driven tools shifts the focus from historical reporting to dynamic, forward-looking predictive insights. Advanced scenario modeling allows finance teams to simulate thousands of potential outcomes in just seconds. As traditional number crunching gives way to strategic navigation, finance transforms into a critical component of business strategy. These strategic shifts empower organizations to become more agile, responsive, and forward-thinking in their financial planning. In Treasury, real-time monitoring transforms cash management, making liquidity and fraud detection a proactive discipline. Intelligent agents perform 24/7 cash monitoring to ensure global liquidity is always optimized across various currencies. They autonomously execute cash sweeps and hedges, matching real-time risk profiles with liquidity requirements. Advanced fraud detection leverages real-time anomaly recognition that far exceeds the capabilities of traditional systems. This proactive approach ensures finance operations not only meet regulatory demands, but also gain unprecedented transparency. In Treasury, proactive risk mitigation is evident with a 25% reduction in foreign exchange risks driven by smart AI agents. These agents deliver explainable, transparent decisions that enhance trust and compliance in automated Treasury functions. Effective liquidity optimization ensures that cash is always in the right place at the right time, maximizing returns. Such proactive risk strategies are essential as finance teams navigate complex market conditions with confidence. Impressive statistics confirm the power of intelligent systems in reshaping Treasury risk management for the modern era. Hyperautomation delivers rapid returns, boosting productivity by 40 to 80% while streamlining core financial tasks. Organizations can achieve a full return on investment within just 6 to 12 months, thanks to drastic manual cost reductions. Beyond immediate savings, hyperautomation eliminates the costly maintenance tax associated with outdated legacy systems. This dual benefit of operational efficiency and strategic value creates a compelling case for embracing intelligent automation. The quantified benefits clearly demonstrate that investing in hyperautomation drives transformative value across finance. Successful automation begins by bridging legacy systems with advanced AI-powered solutions for a harmonious integration. Establishing clear governance and ethical frameworks is crucial for managing autonomous systems with complete transparency. High-quality, accessible data serves as the lifeblood of intelligent automation, ensuring every decision is well-informed. Ongoing change management and upskilling empower finance teams to work seamlessly alongside their digital counterparts. This holistic approach smooths the transition into a future where finance operates with unprecedented agility. Peering into 2026, we envision full autonomy where AI agents handle most exceptions, freeing humans for strategic oversight. Agentic interfaces are set to become the primary way finance professionals interact with systems, making operations more intuitive. Self-healing systems will detect and resolve bottlenecks autonomously, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted financial workflows. These innovations mark a pivotal shift, creating a fully automated ecosystem that redefines how we manage finance. The future blurs the lines between workforce and software, as AI agents become integral, proactive members of finance teams. A clear roadmap is key to successful transformation, beginning with a solid foundation of clean and accessible data. Next, upgrading from brittle RPA to adaptive, intelligent hyperautomation is essential for staying competitive. Pilot innovative tools like Microsoft Dynamics 365 Copilot in critical areas to demonstrate immediate, measurable value. Ultimately, scaling automation enterprise-wide with strong governance and continual upskilling ensures lasting success. This structured roadmap paves the way for a comprehensive transformation that empowers your entire financial operation. Now is the time to join the revolution. Move beyond routine tasks and embrace a future of strategic, intelligent finance. Embrace the power of adaptive automation that transforms drudgery into dynamic, high-value work for finance teams. With hyperautomation, finance evolves rapidly, setting new benchmarks for efficiency, accuracy, and innovation. This invitation calls on leaders to harness AI and smart automation, driving growth and transforming financial strategies. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. Together, let's build the future of finance with intelligence and agility.